So if you are here for the ripples, there is a quite cheap trick to make it work. Let's start by adding a circle top. You can make it 0.1 in both dimensions. Use 1024 by 1024 resolution and 32-bit float pixels. Once you have it, add a mouse in chop. Now you can control your circle center position with mouse TX and TY channels. The next step is a feedback top. That's where all the fun is gonna happen. Plug it into an edge top, add a composite top, connect the circle into the composite top and change the operation to over. Plug it into a blur and drag the blur onto the feedback. Yeah, that's quite trippy. Go to edge parameters and set the strength to 0.9. And the filter size in the blur parameters should be about 11. That will give you the ripple effect. Now you can use this thing to display something, maybe a noise top. Why not? Make it 1024 by 1024, 32-bit float. Plug it into a display stop. We need one more operator, which is a slope top. And if you plug the slope into the second input of the display stop, you see the ripples. In case you wanna show that circle as well, you can add a composite top. Connect the circle, change the operation to over, and make sure that the circle is on top. Now you can actually use something other than a circle. Insert a null here, add a movie file in, and a feed top. Use the same mouse in channels to control X and Y translate of the feed top. Now you can move the banana. Once you plug it into this null, you see the ripples. But there is also quite a bit of noise. That's because you need to set the pixel format to 32-bit float. You can make ripples with a butterfly, you can make ripples with text. And if you want to change the strength of this effect, you can experiment with different filter size values as well as the edge strength. I hope you find this short tutorial useful. Consider subscribing to this channel. You can also support me on Patreon, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.